Good morning, everyone. I'm Nadine, and I'm here to give you today's trading notes. For the U.S. markets plummet as tech shares dive. The major indexes saw steep declines dragged again by big tech. Investors continue to wait for a fresh round of coronavirus aid package. According to Dow Jones market data, Nasdaq, S&P, and Dow Jones are 11.8%, 9.6%, and 9.4% down from their record close respectively. Moving on to the local market, we expect the market to trade sideways this week with a downward bias. The index is currently forming a descending triangle and may likely test the 5,700 support, while next major support is at 5,400. Meanwhile, POGO-exodus to take a hit on POGO-centric areas. Our view: a mass exodus is seen in the POGO space as Chinese mainlanders are returning to China due to the impact of COVID-19. China was starting to clamp down on money transfers, while POGOs in the Philippines were lacking in operators, as the Chinese government was also canceling the passports of workers from the mainland. POGOs are currently operating at approximately 30% capacity, while still spending on housing, food, and staying enclosed to prevent from being infected. According to PagCor, the number of registered POGOs declined to 55 from 60 at the start of 2020, while only 29 had been given authority to resume operations after paying correct taxes and complying with health protocols. According to industry sources, we may see double-digit office vacancy in Metro Manila, where, as of the second quarter of 2020, POGOs accounted for 11% of total leasable office space, or 1.34 million square meters. Office vacancy may shoot up from 5% to as high as 16%. Lease rates, on the other hand, may also decline 17% this year, a 20% to 30% decline for POGOs. This should take a hit, especially for POGO-centric areas like the Bay Area, affecting DMW, SMPH, and DD. In corporate news, Mary Mart or MM signs a pact with Food Panda Philippines for a dark store concept. Our view: MM partnered with Food Panda for grocery deliveries, shifting to the new normal setup in the grocery space. This now allows customers to order via Food Panda groceries for delivery within 15 minutes. The first two dark store groceries are set to operate in Makati and downtown Manila next month. This online grocery store format is already being used globally, and MM will be the first to do this in the country. Food Panda has over 20,000 riders across the country, while MM already has 11 operational branches and expects to end the year with 25 outlets. It targets to have 100 stores by 2021 and 1,200 by 2030, with 120 billion pesos in system-wide sales revenue. That wraps up today's market outlook. Join us again tomorrow for your daily trading notes. Stay safe!